Hello and welcome back if you are back to the Cisco CCNA 200-125 prep exam course or prep exam. Question number 3. And the question is, which switching method duplicates the first 6 bytes of a frame before making a switching decision? So the question is, which switching method duplicates the first 6 bytes of a frame before making a switching decision? And the possible answers are fragment-free switching, store and forward switching, cut-through switching, or ASIC switching. Once again, I highly advise you to eliminate the ones that are obviously wrong and stick with the other ones and pick the best answer. So the question is, which switching method duplicates the first 6 bytes of a frame before making a switching decision? And the possible answers are fragment-free switching, store and forward switching, cut-through switching, or ASIC switching. So eliminate the obvious wrong one. I would recommend to eliminate D. It's obviously has nothing to do with this. And we stick to fragment-free, store and forward, and cut-through, which are 3 possible switching mechanisms. And you have to remember which one uses the first 6 bytes. Fragment-free, store and forward, or cut-through. And the answer is cut-through switching. Hope you got this one right. If you didn't, hope I helped you get this one right. Comment down below if you think I'm wrong and why I'm wrong. Comment down below if you think I'm right, and that's quite it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It helps, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.